In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 best soldering station available on the market every day. We made this list based on our own opinion research and custom reviews. We have considered the quality, features, and values. A soldering station is a tool used in electronics for soldering components onto a circuit board. It consists of several key elements, including soldering iron. This is the handheld tool that heats up and is used to melt solder. It has a tip that is heated to a specific temperature, allowing you to melt the solder and connect electronic components. Power supply. This is the unit that provides power to the soldering iron. It typically includes adjustable temperature controls to ensure the soldering iron reaches the appropriate heat for the task. Soldering iron tip. The tip of the soldering iron is crucial for making precise solder connections. It can be changed depending on the type of job you're doing. Fine tips for precision, wider tips for larger connections. So let's find out.
At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.